We'll do another standard deviation problem. I'm going to do this one on my calculator. Like the last data set, this one's going to have a mean of 50. In fact, this one has 3 scores that are 50. The next score up from 50 is 52. Below that is 48. Then I have 57, 43. I'm just going to keep it perfectly balanced. 60, 40, 62, and 38. And we could go through this by hand, but we'll show it on the calculator. My calculator will do the standard deviation. You have to put it in statistics mode for that. On the calculator, right above the data key, you see STAT. That's statistics. To get it in statistics mode, we'll press second data. It will ask the question there, 1 variable statistics or 2 variable statistics. We are doing 1 variable statistics. So with that underlined, press the equals key and it'll select 1 variable statistics. Then you see on the display you have STAT in the bottom. We're in statistics mode. To play it safe, clear data. I think if I'm coming straight into statistics mode, there's going to be no data to clear. But just in case you have data from a previous problem, press second stat. There's the arrow, there's more. Scroll to the right. Try that again. Hit the arrow instead of the clear. There's my clear data. It's underlined. Press equals. Now I'm ready to put my data in. Press the data key. X number 1. I'll go from the lowest to the highest. It doesn't matter, but I'll start with there, 38. Hit the down arrow, and its frequency, the frequency for 38 is 1, and that's the default on the frequency. Yesterday, after class, one of my students said, I'm having trouble. The frequency is 1. So just type over it. Yes? Press the data key. The data. Now, my frequency is 1. Press the down arrow. And the second data item is 40. Put 40 in there. Press the down arrow again, and the default frequency is 1, so that's what we want. Just press the down arrow again. The next data item is 43. Down arrow, frequency of 43 is 1. Down arrow, 48. For the 4th data point, hit the down arrow, frequency is 1 for 48. Down arrow again. Now the 5th data item is the 50. There are 3 of them, so when I press down arrow, I want to change that to a 3. You just type a 3. And there it is. It'll erase the 1. It'll put in the 3 for the frequency. The next data item is 52. It has a frequency of 1. We have 57, has a frequency of 1. 60 has a frequency of 1. And 62 has a frequency of 1. And I always will press the down arrow one more time. Leave the next data item empty. From here, we're ready to do the calculation. Press Stat Var. It's next to the data key. And I get my calculations. The N is underlined, and it's showing 11 in the display. That tells me there are 11 data items. Hit the right arrow, X bar. X bar is the mean. That's 50. Hit the right arrow one more time, and here is our standard deviation. Standard deviation is 7.707139547. It is a measure of how spread out the data items are from the mean. Yes? Say that again. To get this, stat var. It's right next to the data key. And that will do a little calculation, a statistics calculation. Now when it comes up on the screen, it's going to be where the N is underlined, and you'll see 11 to show the number of data items. Other questions?